Hi guys! Today we're going to be looking at a riddle that's really interesting and truly confused me at first.
The missing dollar riddle. So, a group of three friends walked into a restaurant and had good food. They really enjoyed their meal, and the total cost of the meal was $30. And because there were three friends, they split the cost three ways so that each of them pays $10. Now, this money was paid to the waiter, who paid the money to the owner. Now, the owner was feeling very generous and gave the three friends $5 back. So, the owner gave the waiter $5 back, but the waiter did not know how to split the $5 among three friends. So he just gave $1 to each of the friends and kept $2 as a tip for himself. Now, because each of the friends paid $10 originally and has now been paid $1 back, each of them has paid a total of $9, and the waiter has $2 as a tip. So 9 times 3, the $27 the friends paid, plus the $2 the waiter has is $29. So now there's $29 at this point of the story. But the friends had originally paid a total of $30. So where did the missing dollar go?
Now, if you understand this riddle or have solved it before, good job! Otherwise, if you're perplexed by this riddle, don't be. It was pretty difficult for me as well. Let's go ahead and solve it together. We'll start with the 5 money-related characters in this riddle. There's the owner, who I'll call O. There's the waiter, who I'll call W. And then there's the 3 friends, who I'll call F1, F2, and F3. These people are who the money goes to and who it starts with, so they're a good starting point. First, we start with $10 each with F1, F2, and F3. They each give this $10 to the waiter, which leaves him with $30. Now, the waiter gives this money to the owner. But the owner says that he doesn't want all of it, and he gives $5 back to the waiter, leaving the owner with $25 and the waiter with $5. After this, the waiter keeps $2 of the $5 that he's given and gives the remaining $1 to each of the friends. So that leaves us with the O equaling $25, W equaling $2, and then each of the friends having $1 each, as we can see with this notation. Now, immediately after we write this down, we can see that the method provided by the riddle for calculating the total money given is incorrect, because it's not $9 along with the $2 the waiter keeps, as the riddle says, but rather the $25 with the owner, the $1 each with the friends, and the $2 with the waiter. So, we know that the riddle's premises are wrong, but this only tells us that the riddle's final calculation is wrong, not why it's wrong. So let's look a little deeper into the riddle to find the truth. This riddle uses a technique called the informal fallacy. An informal fallacy is an argument that may employ valid logical reasoning, but the resulting conclusion is false because the premises of the argument are flawed. So where is the flaw in this riddle? Well, it comes from assuming that adding up the $9 from each of the friends along with the $2 from the waiter will give us the $30 that we started with. This is completely wrong. There is no missing dollar. It's just the fact that we aren't even starting with something that will get us to the $30 because the friends already have $1 each from the original amount that would have given us a total of $30. Think about it. Since the friends have $1 each in their pockets, that means $3 has been taken out from the $30. So what we have remaining should actually end up to be $27. Adding the $2 that the waiter has to the $27 that the friends have will not make it $30 because what has been removed from the $30 is the $3 that the friends have, not the $2 that the waiter has, which is why the entire premises of the riddle's argument is wrong. In fact, that's why we can call this an informal fallacy, because it doesn't have the correct premises to get to $30. Rather, it has the premises to get to $29 or $27. Also, if you think about it, what was the actual cost of the meal? Well, originally it was $30, but the owner gave back $5, which meant that the actual cost of the meal was $25. Now, if you add up the three $9 from the friends, you get $27. And if you take out the tip of $2 that the waiter kept, once again, you get $25. Which means that the $27 and the $2 signify the actual cost of the meal when you subtract the $2 tip from the money that the friends paid. Now, all in all, when you're faced with such a question, I would first recommend to write it out so that you can see what the actual premises of the questions are, like we did with the $27 and the $2. After that, think about the premises of the question. If the premises of the question are wrong, then you will never get a correct answer because that's an informal fallacy. Finally, using the correct premises, solve the question. And there you have it.